5 Olympic ski jumpers disqualified from mixed team event over baggy clothing. Oh, because they can jump further?
Yeah, it's like a squirrel
squirrels?
suit.
Like the flying squirrels?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I read this title. I didn't get it at first, but that makes a lot more sense.
That's kind of wild. I mean, is that the baggy clothing? It's barely baggy, but I guess it's enough.
I don't think so. I really don't think so. But it wouldn't be baggy looking.
Yeah, I know. Just a little tiny edge.
And you know how the Olympics are. Anything to get an edge.
Absolutely.
You know?
Olympic history is filled with examples of athletes trying to get an edge, but few could have predicted so much controversy at the 2022 Winter Olympics because of baggy clothing. 5 athletes disqualified from ski jumping, mixed team competition in Beijing because of loose-fitting clothing. What I don't understand is, can you not just approach them and go, your outfits don't meet the criteria, you got to switch it?
So they had a clearance of when they were just training, they wore these outfits, but then it wasn't cleared when they wanted to perform, like during the Olympics. So it was cleared all the way through until that very second.
Wow.
Where they had to, compete.
The reason why this sucks, and I'm not sure, maybe they were trying to pull one over and get some sort of advantage, but it
wasn't their intention.
The crappy part here is you train for years for this thing. Years, man. It happens every 4 years. Plus COVID, like the disaster that it's been.
Yeah.
And then you get there and they're like, yeah, those outfits, see you later, go home. Wow. I would really hope they could have just switched the outfit. Anyway, guess that's not how it goes. Let's see what it says here. The FIS, International Ski Federation, destroyed everything with this operation. German athlete Katharina Althaus said, I think they have destroyed women's ski jumping. I don't know what they're trying to do. Oh, geez. I've been checked so many times in 11 years of ski jumping, and I have never been disqualified once. I know my suit was compliant. So you have a controversy over here. You've got yourself a full-blown controversy, and they're not going to let it go.
11 years.
Which is fair.
Yeah.
Slovenia earned the inaugural gold medal in the team event, with the Russian Olympic Committee earning silver and Canada getting bronze. Shout out Canada. Shout out bronze.
Just had to.